Cause like when she first started, like. And it was a family. They was all like, the man. He was like.
All of us just looking at the food.
Well, why would you try to touch the cooks after you knew you coughed in your head?
Hands on, take my gloves off. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. He got some new clothes.
It was so hilarious. I'm just standing there watching. I'm like, cause I ain't